Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing some more skincare. So this is MD Acne. They sent me a box yesterday in the mail very kindly. These items were gifted to me, but I am going to give you my complete honest review. I thought I'd just let you know in the beginning. So if you would like to know what this skincare is all about and know a little bit more information about it, it also has an app as well. So I will show you how the app works and how the skincare can be customized to your own skin. Then carry on watching and enjoy the video. Wash your face thoroughly, which I've already done this morning, and wet your nose. It is important to wet your nose before putting on any sort of pore strip, else it will not stick to your face and it will just be a complete waste. So this is the one from MD Acne. These are all dermatologically tested and everything, so you know this is going to be good for your skin. This is deep cleansing, so I have needed this one for a while. Okay, so let's just take this off and see what it's looking like. So you probably can't see, but it's got out loads of little blackheads that I had, and it's surprising because I literally put one on a couple of weeks ago, so it's built up pretty quick and it's actually disgusting. But yeah, you can see so many blackheads on there, so I'm glad that worked. Now we're going to move on to the other products that they sent me. So they sent me these three here. These are all customized to your skin, by the way. So this is the customized hydrating cleanser day and night, which I'll be putting on today. There's a customized smoothing moisturizer for daytime, and then there's a customized treatment cream for night. So it's not at night time yet. I will try that maybe tonight. So I'm going to use both of these today. Let's test them out. So this company actually have their own app. So once you download it, it will come up with here. So it says step 1, take a selfie, reassess your skin, a customized acne treatment kit is sent to you, chat with a dermatologist, track your skin progress, exclusive videos, guides and tips, start your journal to clear skin today. So if you're actually wanting to, you know, if you suffer with acne and you're really wanting to work on treating that, I think this is definitely a very good brand to go to because it's all customized to your skin. So on mine, I said that I have oily skin. That's really all I put because that is my main concern. It's just that I've got oily skin, nothing else. So they've obviously treated it for that, which is really good. So I'm going to press start. I'm just going to show you how the app works basically. So it asks for your gender, so female, how old you are, so I'm 23, and then how long have you had acne. So I don't actually personally suffer with acne too much. I have got 2 breakouts here at the moment, but I don't usually get spots very often, so this isn't something that I would usually have a lot. But I absolutely hate it when I get spots, and once I get one, I get a load on my face at once, and I just want them gone quick, especially when I'm recording videos and stuff like that. I don't want the spots to be there, and I just don't want them there in general. So obviously everyone gets spots in their time, either hormonal or, you know, they just suffer with acne. So I think this is a really good way to go, especially if you suffer with acne. I think this would be really helpful. So it says how long have you had acne for. I'm just going to say less than 3 months because these only come out like today. Which treatment have you tried before? So it says here creams, pills, bath or nothing. So if I just put creams, do you have sensitive skin? Yes. What's your skin tone? So you click the skin tone that's closest to you. So I would say mine is probably fair. What's your skin type? So mine is oily. Describe your acne. So it says here only blackheads, mild, moderate or severe. So you can explain, you know, if you only get a couple of blackheads, then you can just put mild or only blackheads, you know. But if you get it, if you suffer with it quite bad, then it has an option there so that they can help you. So I'm going to put only blackheads. So here it says any of these trigger your breakouts, so monthly cycle, poor diet, stress or sweat, which are the main things that cause your acne. So I'm going to just put monthly cycle for mine because that's probably the only way I'm going to get it, or maybe stress because I suffer from stress quite a lot. So do you have freckles, shaving bumps or large pores? So I actually have none of those, so I'm going to put none. And it says any additional concerns, so body acne, dark spots, acne scars or skin aging. I also don't have any of these, but you know, my brother suffered with body acne on his back, so this would be a really good app for him, and I'll actually tell him about it, because even though he's kind of just got scarring now, but it has an option for acne scars as well. But I'm going to put none, because that's I haven't got any known sensitivity, so it's got a list here. I haven't got any of them. And then it says let's analyze your skin, so you need to take a picture. Selfie time. Whoa. So on here basically it picks out your acne, but it's in different colours. So here I've got purple over these ones, which are my spots, and then I've got green over these, which are my freckles. So it's picking up literally everything on my skin. So it says get closer, stay still. So at the moment it's processing my results. Well, that's good. So here it says acne severity 4 out of 10, which is mild here. Skin sensitivity is 2.9 out of 10, which is low. Acne persistence is low, which is 2.8 out of 10. Then it says here, acne is a major cause of emotional distress. If treated with the wrong products, it can result in lifelong physical scars. But don't worry, we've got your back. We can craft the ultimate acne treatment products for your unique skin and specific acne condition. So it says see your recommendations, and it says here, so customized acne treatment cream, strength 6.4. So that's what it's saying I need. It's saying for the hydrating cleanser, I need 7.6. And for moisturizer, I need an 8.9, so soothing effectiveness. So that's so good that it tells you all of these things. It tells you exactly what boosts are in there. So green tea and aloe leaf juice and stuff like that. So I would definitely recommend getting the app. And then it just says start your treatment, and you can basically just go through it. You know, your first month is free as well. So if I wanted to get the acne treatment cream, cleanser and moisturizer, and I get chat support from a dermatologist, all I need to pay is the shipping and handling, which is £9. So how good is that? £9 for all of that. I think that's amazing, and I'm definitely going to recommend it to my brother as well, and I'll ask my mum if she wants it too, because I think that's so good. So let's get in with trying the products. Now I've shown you how the app works. So we've just tried the blackhead strip, and it was really good. It picked up so much on my skin, so I'm really glad about that. So I'm just going to pop on the cleanser, and I'm just going to do it how I usually apply a cleanser, and that's just on a cotton pad. I don't know if they have a specific way of doing it, but this is how I like to pop a cleanser on. So my first impression is like a strange consistency. It's almost like sticky. I'm just going to pop it on and see how it works. Oh my god, it smells... Oh, that smells so nice. It smells like, kind of like sweets. It smells really nice. It's actually made my skin feel really, really nice. It's like hard to explain, but it just feels, it doesn't feel wet or anything. It's not wet, it's not... You know, ones like that with that consistency, like kind of sticky consistency, I thought would make my skin really wet and sticky, but it's actually completely dried down. Then we're going to try the customized moisturizer, which is this one. I have actually been in need of a moisturizer, and I think this will be really good for my face, especially for these little spots. I'm hoping this is gonna come out quite nicely. I will update you all on my Instagram stories as to how this works. I'm going to be using this, I'll try it every day for a week and see if there's any results, and I definitely will pop it on my Instagram, so if you want to check that out, it's in the description down below. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this product before, because I have actually never heard of them before, but I think it's so good that they've got an app. Here it also says oil free, that I've noticed, which I spot from a mile away in a skincare product, because I hate having oily products, just because I already have so many natural oils. I do not need any more. So I'm just going to pop this on. This actually has the same smell as the cleanser, which is nice. I can't remember what that smell is. It's like sweets though, not the Parma Violets, you know, like the nice fizzy ones. But it doesn't, it smells really fresh. I don't know what the smell is. I would like to know, to be honest, because it smells lovely. I have done my skincare, so I have put the nose pore strip on, I have put the cleanser on and the moisturiser. I'm really impressed with it. My face feels really nice. It feels a little bit like tacky, which is what I like, because when I apply makeup in a minute, it will stick to it quite nicely and it will stay on all day. And it smells lovely, like I said. I'm hoping, obviously I'm not going to see a difference now in my acne. It's not just going to disappear, which it would be really cool if there was a product that just got rid of it. But yeah, like I said, I will update you on my Instagram stories within about a week, just to let you know if there's any differences, and I'll do that. And if there are no differences, I'll carry on testing it for a little bit longer. It might just need a bit longer, and I will keep it updated. But definitely check out their app and check out their brand if you haven't already. If like I said, if you have tried their products before, definitely let me know in the comments down below and let me know what you think if you use the app. But like I said, it's free for your first set, so I don't know why you wouldn't go for it. It's just £9 shipping, which I think is really good because skincare can be really expensive. So yeah, I think this is really cool and I would definitely recommend it. My face feels really nice and I shall give you an update in the next couple of weeks. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.